Hello everyone, I'm Eddie Jerry. We are back. Today, I would like to concentrate on the next step that I want to say and think. Today, I would like to go to how to install Microsoft Office with the a new soft. I think I mean the step for this, but there are some methods actually. But I want to use only one. So, unfortunately, here this step is the hardest plan I have seen for years. Let me explain this because it's kind of look like weird because like I said earlier, I never used this before, so I think we might gonna try to complete this. Okay, so this is the thing that on Shopee. Okay, I just already recorded back we got here in previous episode. But first, before I want to go through this is the is told that I just got already, so my order is done. The price is overall here is 10 ringgit and 68 cents. If you put in dollars, you can see here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna censor my personal here, so I need to see myself to actually. Yeah, so you can see there are the order ID here. Okay, so now I want to go to next one. This is Microsoft Office. That is 65 that I just here. Okay, so I want to go to the up here. So this is the company called Koda. Yeah, pronounce English very weird. This is install guide in English. You can see here. Let me try to explain. So this is the website that I just got here. So you can see there are the three is type here. Already have installed Office 365, and then you got help option on Microsoft Office, and how to install for the rest here. So we can skip all our steps because those can explain. So I'll go to already have Microsoft 365, and let's go this. Okay, so you cannot also get the cannot skip the step because this is gonna be this thing actually. Okay, so the sales section one is uninstall various of Office versions. Well, because I have the using Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, I want to explain actually. Uh, so yeah, I just got this recording in the like this. Okay, so this is on my laptop already. So as you can see, we are a lot at this thing. I have already Microsoft Support and they call it Assistant. But because I already installed back we got here before it is already started, that means I think we can skip the step because we are already in the Assistant. So you can go to you got step two, you got on this go download folder, and then you got unzip actually, and then extract the folder, and then set up. What is this? Oh yeah. Okay, it is. I think this step I want to skip because I have already this thing already. So you might gonna go to next step that is go to this one. So let me open to Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant because this step actually I don't need to open this because like I said earlier, this is step is the same. Okay, let me try to settle this first. Okay, it takes some time to loading. It's supposed to get here by now. Yeah, like I said, my laptop is really old. You know how old my laptop is actually? My laptop is almost 8 years. Oh, okay. So you got require update for Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. Okay, it takes some time. So it takes some like minutes here. This kind look like the recording will take like several minutes to complete. Actually, hoping we can finish here. Ah, there we go. Okay, so we can start at here. They say I have Office installed, but I starting it. Yeah, I have this one already, but because I had already all gone for Microsoft Office 365 that we got here, that means you can install again. But because I have already assisted that we got here, that means you can install this one first. So we can skip the first 5 steps because I don't have I have already this one already that we got here. So you can go this step actually, yeah, open this thing and you can download on Microsoft.com. And you go to Office. I don't think it's Office.com, right? Because it's different. Yeah. Take some time for downloading. Alright, everyone. I would like to tell about one thing. Actually, I already installed Microsoft Office before my recording. That's because I just forgot that just now.
I also have installed already in the first place, so I forgot to tell about this. That's why I decided to install. No need to just go to the news. That step actually. Yeah, I got wasted a lot of times because I thought this is gonna go to the next step that is gonna book open any Microsoft Office apps actually, and then we can go try to complete the email, which I'm gonna explain as well and the next step actually. But for now, we just know that because I got messed up a little bit with many steps actually, I decided to go to the next skip a lot of steps, including that we just install here because when you go to open to the Microsoft support and the code assistant, there's no need to because as you want to know, while I has already assisted all the Microsoft 365 installation, that means you don't need to. But because I don't have to, just don't only have Microsoft 2024. That's Microsoft Office in that case. So we must skip, and we're going to show you in the next step actually. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, wait, can we go to Word? Oh, yeah, 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 we know this. I forgot because we don't have to this thing. Oh, yeah. Okay, and I think the step, I think I have already assisted. Oh my gosh. Okay, I forgot to tell about that because I have this one already. Okay, so the step here, I actually forgot to tell about because we already installed already this thing that we got here. So because of that, I don't need to install again. This is Microsoft Office 2024. Okay, so before we can explain here, I think we can skip all of the steps. Next, we're gonna try. It will take some time because I did not install a lot. Oh yeah, I got mistaken. I did not use it like this. Okay. Well, that sounds better. Okay. It may take some time. Let's close. Close. Wow, I forgot to care about this. Okay, so because I have already assisted, I forgot to care about because I have this thing already. So I go to on this because I know we have on that on the website. Yes. So as you can see, this is my all this. So let me gonna try. I don't know if it's gonna go or not. Why? Okay. So we go to account. Yeah, unlicensed product. I mean, you're gonna try to use. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I using Microsoft 365 apps enterprise. So we're gonna sign out. Oh wait, wait. Sorry, switch account. We'll try something new. I'm not sure this is gonna go or not. Yeah. So first, I want to try to explain about the on the right side of me. But yeah, this is not quite sensitive, so you might gonna use it like this actually because this is kind like yeah an account. We're gonna change a little bit yeah. So because now next step we're gonna try to click sign out and then you're gonna go to this. Yeah, this editing gonna be very heavy because this is kind of like, very annoying. So we're gonna try. Okay, so I think we'll try like this. That is my this. Actually, yeah, this is my password and CAD 22 on Microsoft.com. Okay, that is my password. Any Jerry that is thing is supposed gonna be working well. And then we got password after this. Yes, there we go. Think we're gonna go to try. Say okay. You remember? Okay, they say yeah yeah. The reduced number of trials working. Oh yeah, because this I just offered using here. That's what makes sense here. This supposed work, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. But you're gonna restart first before going to continue. So yeah. And yes, that's the last step actually because that's will be the last step. It's hoping this one work. Okay, if this work, that means we done. And this is will be the end of the video if we can done with this actually. But I ain't really worry because my version currently that I'm using here is Microsoft 365 Enterprise and LTSC, which annoy me because this version can be different. That's why I very worry this version will destroy your day. That is why. Yes, you're set. Thank you. Okay. And this we have this one no need to be using the product key because this one have the I already buy on this thing. This supposed gonna work for some reason. Yes. Restart. Okay, get out of here. Yeah. Okay, let me gonna okay, yeah, it's like CAD dot two. Yeah, see, this is the this. Let me go on to close. Let's try again. We're gonna try to close again, and then we will try again. Okay, so that's gonna work for some reason. Yeah, this is my own version for Office all versions. This supposed to yes. There we go. Okay, see, I told you it's work. I thought I'm gonna cry, but the price is it's only 5 ringgit compared to the previous one. Thank you. I appreciate it. So yeah, also again that's a very good working. Wait, this is a using old version of our Office because it doesn't look like the old version. Let me gonna go and check. Yes, so you can see ADJ99, that's my version, and this is on here. Yes, there you go. Subscription product is lifetime. Absolutely. You see, it works properly well. I am very happy we done with this, and yeah, I gonna try to skip many steps because some I forgot to tell about. I already have this thing already, so I got mistaken here. Yeah, and I get mistake actually, so we can actually get yeah. Anyway, we done for this. We take like many minutes actually. I think we gonna try to check it out everything before we can continue. Yeah. So subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. I'm totally sorry about this thing. My installation, I have this one a little bit shorter compared to this thing in my recording. That's because well, I was just already installing that we got here. So this supposed to be work for some reason. And you can see that I just got here. I don't know why they have this. I think you might can try and say, "Oh, it's working." Oh, sorry, I'm gonna try again. Yeah, see, everything is already deleted. I mean, you're gonna go to yeah. So you can see it's fully working. I think gonna find first. Okay, so yeah, it's very happy. I'm very happy. We done this journey with the everything. This it will take like several minutes to complete. Let's hoping it works. It's gonna be working for some reason. Come on, please. My recording, it look like annoying, but yeah, we done actually. Okay, yes. There we go. Finally. Wait, how did I get my name here? Oh, I think because I'm using my own version. That's why it makes sense. Oh, I think that's because I'm using on OneDrive and then they post this thing. There's a different version, but it doesn't matter because we are done. Okay. So once again, yeah, this is the version I will have. You can see my name here. Yeah, but it said like look like it can be my name because I already have installed already on the other version on CAD. Yes, there you go. See, that's how I want to use it here. But because this version is different, you can see that my this password here. Yeah, I using all four emails in one whole my laptop, one device, and that's what makes sense why I decided to use this. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, it's a very good recorded on the dark. Yeah, okay, that's very good. I very love to see this. Okay, I don't want to think about whether you can use it for some reason. This is my report. I complete already in detail here, and also for a special part in this, I just complete the this. Can we show? Yes, this I already writing this one on my recording before my recording, so this is kind of annoying. And tomorrow we are very busy for this. We're gonna have a recovery actually, yeah, for tomorrow about the track and field competition actually. Anyway, we are done, yeah, and that's a very good job here. I know this is quite annoying. Thanks so much once again. I will see you next time. I'll try to go to the next one, go to the gaming channel next. Let's go to them actually. But now we are done for this one. Yeah, installation is going to be shorter. Yeah. But it's easy. We already complete already on how to install Microsoft Office. I have step on the my tablet, and for this thing because my step is I have already all out before. So you need to you can skip the all out steps because you're really gonna download first before you can continue. Yeah. So 0 1